How to add a link on TikTok bio. Hello friends, it's Miss Mal here to guide you through the way. So to know how to do it, watch this video till the end. Make sure that you have installed the latest version of TikTok on your phone. If you have done so, then simply open your TikTok. After opening the TikTok, you will now see an interface like this with your profile on it. Just tap on your profile, which is on the down right side. You will now see an interface like this. Tap on Edit Profile. I've already pasted a bio in my TikTok, but it is not clickable and simply I cannot go to the link. I should copy the link and only then I can go to the link right there. So how do we add the clickable link on our bio? To do that, what you can do is make your TikTok account change into a business account. So to do that, what you can simply do is tap on account. If you don't have the option of account, then there should be the option of manage account. After doing this, tap on switch account. Since I'm using TikTok from VPN, so this option might not be shown, but let's see. So after tapping on switch my account to business account, it will take some time for you, which totally depends on your internet connection. So right here, it shows me no internet connection, but the error is due to VPN. Simply go there and change your account to a business account, and you do so, then you will see after tapping on the edit profile that you have a new option of website right here. And when you tap on website and add a website, then it will be a clickable website and people can simply go through the website and go on your Instagram or anything that link you have put on your TikTok bio. So yes guys, this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. For any suggestion or comments, to comment on the comment section. See you on the next video. Thank you.